Hi everyone, Krista and River here from Dogpacking. Today we're going to look at the Bike Friday Alpaca, which we've been using for our dogpacking adventures. Based in Oregon, Bike Friday is known for their folding bikes, and the Alpaca is their dedicated bike packing model. River and I travel a lot, so having something that is capable of doing mixed terrain and able to pack up for travel in the back of a car, but most importantly on airplanes in a suitcase is exactly what we were looking for. I love the 20-inch wheels because it's easy enough for River to hop up in her basket without too much effort to get up and down from the bike. And smoothness-wise, this is such a lovely, stable ride. We've done some long multi-day rides on rail trails, and you wouldn't know that you're on a 20-inch folding bike. We've had our Alpaca a year now, and so far we've been really impressed with it. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below, and we'll see you in the next video.